आयडी काढल्या आयडी फोटो हा त्याचा आयडी हा इज फ्रॉम बेलगाव सगळे हा एकाडे फोन केला एका फोन केला.
There was a snake chasing today of my wife. There was a guy from outside us. He came into our room and he just snatched the chain and he ran away. Luckily he ran to our room, but there was a dead end over there, road end, so he couldn't run anyway. So he just ran on top of the hill. So right now we have given a complaint to the police. So let's see what the police are doing right now.
In Surrey exactly
Pomor Para.
Okay. Yeah. Rent a bike hali.
Rent a bike.
We have been hustled. Rent a bike. Just sticker laila Mr.
Sticker here. Rent a bike sticker and the back number plate was not there. And only front number plate was there. So we called up the owner of the rent a cab and he gave us the identity, and so that same identity we gave to the police.
Like almost kitli gramachi hui astili?
250 something almost.
20-25.
Yeah.
Okay.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.